I just want to do a little update on my cart here that I built. I know I haven't really done much to it since I built it, but I did just give it a... I've been using it, but I've had this on top of it because I haven't done anything to the top yet to protect it. So I just gave it a pretty good sanding, and I think just because I feel like it, I'm going to maybe I'm going to, I guess I have to go to the basement. I'm like, oh, I got a little bit of wipe on poly left, so I figured I'd just try to use the rest of that up. But before I put the wipe on poly on, I'm gonna brand it. Now, in my cutting board video, I debuted my new brand. Well, I mean, I've had the logo for a little while, but I had somebody make me a branding iron. This is just an impromptu video. It's not planned at all. Turn this way. All right. So I got my brand over here warming up in my my bar board, my little mini cutting board video. I debuted the brand, but I just finished recording another video. I'm like, well, let me get this place cleaned up. I probably won't be here for a couple of days, so I'm like, you know what? Let me finish this tabletop, or the top of this cart here. I'll get some. I got that wipe on poly left. There's not a lot left. I'll just use that, and then I'll maybe let that dry and throw some paste wax on it or something. Anyway, I'm like, hey, you know what? I got my brand here. Let me brand the table. So I think I'm gonna put the brand. It's not that big. It's only like 2 inches, so maybe I'll stick one right in the middle. Or maybe one in each corner, or just the top corners. I don't know. How far will it reach? How about we do the sides? That looks awesome. I'll show you in a second here. I'll bring you in a little closer when I do another one. That looks wicked cool. That's right, I said wicked because I'm from Massachusetts. We'll zoom in on this. Let's go down like that. And we're gonna do another one on this side here. Something like that. Nice, nice. Can you see that? I'll zoom in for you. When I edit this video, I'll zoom in for you. But I held that down with a good amount of pressure for about 12 seconds. And you can see the whole thing came out awesome. And I think, for the hell of it, heck of it, I'm gonna put one in the middle. That one, not so great. You know, I did unplug it, so it's cooling off pretty easily. Let me stick this over here so I don't burn the garage down. Alright, so I just ran down to the basement real quick. It's winter, so I keep my stains and spray paints and stuff inside in the basement so they don't get wrecked. So I got a little bit of this wipe on poly left, so I figured I might as well just use it. If I can get it open. It's crusty. And the good thing about wipe on poly is you just wipe it on. Got myself a little rag here. I took the sander again and sanded over the wood burn. Took off some of the, like the burn shadow, I guess I call it. And just left it with the awesome logo. Anyway, let's pour this on. Ooh, look at that, makes the logo shine. I'm not doing this like a production piece or anything. I was just looking for an excuse to use a little bit of wipe on poly I had and put a little bit of something on the tabletop to protect it a little bit. That looks pretty cool, just this one coat. It makes those logos pop real well too. So I'll just let this dry a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple more coats on. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Well, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna make this too much of a video. It's just like an impromptu, I'm gonna brand my table kind of thing and then throw a protective coating on it. So that's it. There it is. Jay Creates. Check out that logo and that brand on there. Came out real good. Alright, that's all. Just a random video. Bye bye.